Graphite, fullerene, and diamond are three of the major allotropes of carbon. The question is, what is the hybridization of carbon in these three allotropes? So if you look at graphite as well as fullerene, the hybridization of carbon atom is sp2 in both of these allotropes. That is why this graphite is having its peculiar layered structure. That is one of the reasons why graphite is having its peculiar layered structure. But if you look at diamond, the hybridization of carbon atom in diamond is sp3, and each carbon atom in diamond is tetrahedrally attached to 4 other carbon atoms. If you like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.